Hello everyone, happy new year 2025. May this new year bring us loads of blessings, good health, wealth and increase in all of our businesses and everything that we set our mind to do this year. Anyways, in this video I want to unbox some of the gifts that I actually came home to after the holiday season. So I traveled, and by the time I was back I actually got this package from GIG. It was from Syinix. I think it's a kettle that is inside. They actually gifted it to me and I want to unbox it with you guys. Also, I got this one. I think it's an hamper because I'm feeling something like a basket inside. This gift actually is from one of my online friends that we're into this online business space together, Coach Kelvin. Thank you so much for this gift, and I am about to open it right now. And I just thought, why should I open it alone? Why shouldn't I just open it with you guys, my online family, my online community? So guys, come with me while I unbox this amazing gift. And I hope you guys also got Christmas gift, and I know you guys would have unboxed your own unboxing day, but this one actually traveled home. And when I got back to my base here, I saw this one. So let's open this first one. This one is from Syinix. I actually got this. Let me open. This one is from Syinix. I'm opening for the first time, so let's see what's inside. It's a kettle actually, but I don't know. I was surprised that they packed it in a box. I actually got it from Syinix because I got their hair fryer and their swallow maker, so they gifted it to me. But it's not that they just gave me because for giving sake, because I bought something from them. So this is what we have in here, the Syinix Electric Kettle. Thank you so much, Syinix, for this gift. I really appreciate it. So let's see. Let's open it together so that you guys see what's up. Wait, come on, they just sellotape this whole thing. Syinix and their sellotape. I'm not going. Okay. Oh, it's the blue color. They actually have red and I think silver, but the one in my box is the blue color. So thank you, Syinix, for my kettle. Now another Syinix product. Hey, Syinix, you people will not come and sign me as brand ambassador like this, because this one that I'm having all your products. Anyways, this is the first one. We are done with this one. Now let's come to the one that my friend gave to me, Coach Kelvin. Thank you so much. In fact, this one was like a surprise because I was not even expecting. He was even asking me, "Oh, are you around?" I'm like, "Me, I traveled though." He was not saying, "Okay, when I'm back, he wants me to help him pick up something and all that stuff." Not even knowing that the thing he wants me to go and help him pick, like, okay, just help me get this stuff from this person, blah blah blah. It's even for me. Like I told you guys, I said I think it's an hamper that is inside, and I was right because I felt basket. So let's open the whole hamper. Wow! Thank you so much for Kelvin. I really appreciate. So this is it. Do you guys want to still see the contents? You people, is that necessary? Anyways, bread is life. This is bread. We got more breakfast every morning. So one of my new year resolutions for 2025 is to start taking breakfast. So I think this is a good start. It will encourage me. Golden more. All these are breakfast essentials. That's it. Coach Kelvin, you know, so I like to cook. What about me? In fact, thank you so much. God bless you. I am really, really grateful for the hamper. Thank you. So guys, that's everything, and thank you so much for watching up until this point. I really do appreciate. If you're watching this on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I promise you there are so many things I have in store for you guys this 2025. You don't want to miss out, especially if you're thinking of leveraging your smartphone to make money online. Tap on that subscribe button right now. Tap on the bell icon to turn on post notifications so that you don't miss any of my videos. And if you're seeing this on Facebook or on TikTok, follow me. I don't know what you're waiting for. Follow me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.